Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Powerbi. In this video we will learn about the one of the important DAX function that is called the same period last year. Now we'll see in more detail here what actually it is and how it works here. It is one of the very important time intelligence function and it returns a table in the specified dates column in the current context here. Its syntax is like same period last year. We have to give the input as a date here. So basically I'll explain what it is about. Suppose we have the year from 2015, 16, 17, 18. So here it will compare 2016 data with the previous year 2015. And if you talk about 2017, so its previous year is 2016 year. So it will compare the data of the 2017 with the 16 year. So now I'll explain in more detail how it works here. So let's go to the Power BI report. Yes. This is one of the data here. Here I'll write the function for the DAX same period last year. Here calculate total sales. After that function same period last year will give the calendar date as a input here. After that run it. Now take the matrix here. In the rows we will take the date, and in the value we will take the sales value as well as the last year sales here. This is the sales. This is the sales last year. We will take it here. Now we'll do some minimal formatting to increase the font size. Globe, instead of 10 we'll make 18 so that it will be more clear visible here. Here we can see, here this is the first is the year, after this is the sales for the year 2016, 17, 18, 19, after this is the sales last year here. Here if you see here, for 2017 row here, this is the sales value exactly as the sales 2016 here. Now for the 2018, this is the sales value and 470532.51 is the sales of the 2017 year. For 2019, this is 733,215.26 and sales last year is the 2018 value here. So we can see here for each respective year it is showing the previous year sales value. Now we'll see in the more detail here. Suppose we expand the 2017 here. We can see the quarter by quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 split here. Now break 2018 as well here. Now we can see here for 2018 quarter 1 this is the value 93237 and this is the 68851.74. So this value is same like 2017 quarter 1 value here. So here now it is doing the quarter wise comparison here. If you go for further split the month wise, like quarter into first quarter, I have said many times that it is for the January, like first 3 months, January, February, March month here. Now, so we can see here for 2017 January month sale is to 18174. Now, if we are doing comparison here, it is the sale for 2018 January month. This value is reflecting here. Now, for February month, this value 11951 that is reflecting here. For the March month, this value is reflecting here. So same period last year function it work for the quarter as well as month wise as well. Now we'll see it's in more detail. Take a slicer here. Date, hierarchy, its year. We'll do some minimum formatting here. In this table, we'll move the column name, month name. After that, it is sales, the sales last year. Now it change its font size to 20 here. Now we can see here. Suppose we have selected 2017 year. So it will compare the 2017 data previous to 2017 year was 2016 year. So it will do the comparison between 2017 and 16 here. Now suppose we change 2018 here. So it will do the comparison between 2018 and since for 2018 previous year 2017 year. So it is doing the comparison between the 2018 and 17. Now, if we selected 2019 here, so it will do the comparison between 2018 and 2017 here. Means same period last year it will do exactly 1 year back compare 1 year back data comparison with the current year. So this is the way same period last year work here. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.